All right, this is going to be the Lance 825. So if we can see in here, hopefully this is going to adjust. It's going to be a dry weight of 2,428 pounds. All right, we head into here, get a nice wraparound dinette, acrylic windows, sleeping area. Our fridge is going to be a Dometic fridge. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Okay, so that's going to have a small pull-out freezer. Again, this is the Lance 825. You've got a small microwave, cooktop, solid surface countertop, and you are going to have a wet bath, shower, toilet, and some more storage. Let's take a look at the outside. All right, you got the Happy Jack stands, and really nice looking camper. So once again, that's going to be the Lance 825. Maybe I can get this sticker with the information a little bit better that you could pause on. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. Hopefully that's focus. And this would be the other side. It's got the Truma on board, your propane tanks. I think that's it.